Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Monument Grill. This is the Mesa Series Monument Grill with a 5-burner. And so it's really a nice grill, and it works off of a propane tank, which is awesome. And if you look at this, it has basically 5 great burners, 2 on this side for just normal cooking of burgers and things along those lines. It also has the broil zone, which is going to get hotter, and you could do a lot more with that. It gets up to a 650 degree sear. It does it very quickly within like 10 minutes. It's got a warming grill deck as well on top that's easily removable, so it just pops out. So if you're not going to do any warming and you just want easier access, you have that capability. So that's really kind of a nice feature that is so easy to remove. It's got a side burner, which actually has its own light, and if you need to have sauces, you want to keep things warm a little bit, or you want to make some vegetables on the side, you have that capability as well. And it has, on this side, it has a nice open tray area which you can set your food on and that sort of thing. And then everything has an electric light, so as you turn it and you want to light, you can hear it click, click, click. It's battery operated, so you could just replace the batteries there if you need to, but you could do that for each one of the burners to light the burners on, which is really kind of a nice feature. Underneath has the ability for, obviously, you can have a propane tank in here. What I do really like too is because this is on rollers, it has the ability to kind of lock your propane tank in place. I like that feature because if you are going to roll it with all of the rollers to move it around your yard or your patio or whatever, you have the ability to lock each roller separate so it'll stop rolling. But it does allow you to have full pivoting of it, which is really kind of nice. It also, underneath here, which you probably can't see, but you can get it from the back, it has a grease trap or tray, so you can see it's a little dirty, but it has that ability that you can just grab that from the back. It's really nice that you can grab it from there and just kind of empty your grease out. So it also has a couple other really nice features to it. It has a bottle opener that's on the side, so if you're one that likes to have a beer while you're actually grilling, you have a quick bottle opener on that side, which is a nice feature. My main feature that I like the most is the front window of it. So if you want to make sure your burgers are grilled, but you want to melt some cheese on it, but you don't want the cheese to completely melt off of it, you could see through this nice window where you're at with your grilling process. It also, like many grills that are in this price range, also has a temperature gauge, which is very accurate. I'm actually very impressed at how quickly it gets up to temperature. So this one's a brand new one. I've worked with Mesa grills before, and it's a fantastic grill. It maintains its look and its appearance to it. It's easily to move around your yard, which is really kind of nice. It also comes with a full grill cover. So let me just show you that quick. And the grill cover itself actually has nice Velcro across the side, so it can cinch, and so it'll cover your entire grill. So when you're not using it, you can keep it nice and new. It also, this comes with a bag as well. So that is a nice feature that you have. This particular grill comes non-assembled in a box. It's not super heavy, but it is in the box, so it'll take 2 people to kind of move that box around. It only took me about an hour and a half or so to put it together. Also, one kind of cool feature at night, you can actually hit a button on the side here and it lights up all of your knobs. It doesn't light up your grill, it lights your knobs for your outside, so you can see that. It's really kind of cool at night. It gives it like a bluish glow to it, which is nice if you're just kind of out there and having a beer and showing off your new grill. Okay, so that's it. This is the Mesa Grill. This is the 5-burner series. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Follow our channel, subscribe to our channel. Super thanks is always welcome, and we'll see you next time.